Good day, everyone. I am Professor Frank. Today we will discuss the Marketing Communications Plan. A marketing communications plan, often called a Marcom plan, is a strategic document. It explains how a company communicates with its target market. It outlines key information about the business. It describes the communication strategy. It identifies the tools used to reach customers. A marketing communications plan is not static. It is a living document. It evolves as the business learns more about its customers and its market environment. As conditions change, the plan should be updated. The main purpose of a marketing communications plan is positioning. Positioning determines how a product or service is perceived by its target audience. When positioning is clear, communication becomes consistent. To develop a marketing communications plan, we often use structured planning models. One widely used model is the SOSTT plus 4 framework. This model was developed by P.R. Smith. It provides a systematic sequence of planning activities. The framework guides marketers through each stage of communication planning. Before discussing the framework, we must understand communication itself. Communication is a process. Information flows from a sender to a receiver. This transmission occurs through a channel. The objective is to create shared understanding. If the receiver interprets the message correctly, communication is successful. If the message is misunderstood, communication fails. This is why planning communication carefully is essential. The first stage of the SOSTT framework is situation analysis. Situation analysis answers a simple but critical question. Where are we now? Organizations must understand their current position before planning future communication strategies. Situation analysis evaluates both internal and external factors. Internal factors include the organization's capabilities. These include brand strength, financial resources, human expertise, technological capacity. External factors include market conditions. These include competitors, consumer behavior, technological developments, regulatory environments. A common tool used in situation analysis is SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let's begin with strengths. Strengths refer to internal capabilities that create competitive advantage. Examples include strong brand reputation, innovative culture, highly skilled employees, unique product features. For instance, a company with strong brand recognition already possesses an advantage when launching new campaigns. Next, we examine weaknesses. Weaknesses are internal limitations. These may include limited financial resources, poor brand reputation, inefficient operational processes, limited employee expertise. Understanding weaknesses helps organizations improve performance. The third element of SWOT analysis is opportunities. Opportunities refer to favorable external conditions. These may include emerging technologies, changing consumer trends, competitors exiting the market. For example, new digital platforms can create opportunities for innovative marketing communication. Finally, we examine threats. Threats are external factors that may harm the organization. These may include regulatory changes, new competitors entering the market, economic instability, technological disruptions. Organizations must monitor these threats carefully. Situation analysis also involves understanding brand positioning. Positioning refers to how the brand is perceived in the minds of consumers. An interesting example is Lucozade. In its early years, Lucozade was positioned as a drink for people recovering from illness. Its slogan emphasized recovery and health. Later, the brand repositioned itself. It became associated with sports performance and energy. Today, Lucozade is positioned as a lifestyle energy drink linked with active living. This example shows that positioning evolves over time. Situation analysis, therefore, provides the foundation for effective communication planning. Without understanding the current position, strategic planning becomes guesswork. If you have come this far, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to receive more contents like this. Once situation analysis is complete, the next stage involves defining objectives. Objectives describe what the communication campaign aims to achieve. Clear objectives guide decision-making. Without clear objectives, communication activities become unfocused. Objectives are often developed using the SMART framework. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific objective clearly states the intended outcome. A measurable objective allows progress to be evaluated. An achievable objective remains realistic. A relevant objective aligns with broader marketing goals. A time-bound objective includes a defined timeline. For example, a company may aim to increase brand awareness from 30% to 60% within 12 weeks. Objectives often follow communication stages described in the DAGMAR model. DAGMAR stands for Defining Advertising Goals for Measured Advertising Results. The model explains how consumers move through communication stages. The first stage is unawareness. Consumers do not know the brand. The second stage is awareness. Consumers recognize the brand name. The third stage is comprehension. Consumers understand the product's benefits. The fourth stage is conviction. Consumers develop a favorable attitude. The final stage is action. Consumers purchase the product. Marketing communication must guide consumers through these stages. Once objectives are defined, the next step is strategy. Strategy answers the question, how do we achieve the objectives? Strategy identifies the target audience. It defines brand positioning. It determines the core message. Let us consider an example. Imagine a perfume brand called Garden of Eden. The objective is to increase brand awareness among working women aged 20 to 40 in West Malaysia. The strategy focuses on positioning the perfume as a long-lasting botanical fragrance. The fragrance represents confidence and elegance for professional women. The message emphasizes natural beauty and everyday success. Strategy also determines communication channels. Digital and social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook may be used. Influencer marketing can help build credibility. Retail promotions in shopping malls can provide product experience. Public relations activities may include media coverage in lifestyle magazines and blogs. Once strategy is defined, the next stage involves tactics. Tactics translate strategy into concrete actions. They specify exactly what activities will occur. For example, social media marketing may include a 12-week content calendar. Posts may show professional women using the perfume during work and social occasions. Short videos may demonstrate fragrance freshness throughout the day. Influencer campaigns may include product reviews and unboxing videos. Retail tactics may involve perfume sampling booths in shopping malls. Customers can experience the fragrance directly. Digital advertising may include YouTube advertisements targeting women interested in fashion and beauty. Public relations tactics may include sending product samples to beauty editors and lifestyle bloggers. These tactics ensure that the strategy is implemented effectively. After defining tactics, marketers must identify their target audience. Targeting refers to selecting specific market segments for communication. Effective targeting ensures efficient use of resources. Instead of communicating with everyone, marketers focus on audiences most likely to respond. Target markets may be defined using segmentation variables. Demographic variables include age and gender. Geographic variables include location. Psychographic variables include lifestyle and values. Behavioral variables include purchasing behavior. In the Garden of Eden example, the target market consists of working women aged 20 to 40 in West Malaysia. These consumers often have strong interest in personal grooming. They are digitally connected. They frequently visit shopping malls and retail outlets. West Malaysia contains major urban centers such as Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru. These cities have strong retail infrastructure and high digital connectivity. Once the target market is defined, organizations must allocate resources. This is where the 4 Ms model becomes important. The 4 Ms represent men, money, minutes, and measurement. Men refers to manpower. These are the human resources responsible for the campaign. Typical roles include campaign managers, digital marketing specialists, creative designers, influencer coordinators, Retail promotion teams. Data analysts. Each role contributes to the campaign success. Money refers to financial resources. Campaign budgets must be allocated carefully. For example, digital advertising may receive 35% of the budget. Influencer marketing may receive 20%. Retail experiential marketing may receive 25%. Creative production may receive 10%. Public relations and campaign monitoring may receive smaller allocations. Effective budgeting ensures maximum return on marketing investment. Minutes refers to time management. Marketing campaigns must follow a structured timeline. For example, the first week may focus on campaign preparation. The second week may involve official campaign launch. Subsequent weeks may include influencer content, retail sampling events, social media engagement campaigns, promotional contests. A structured timeline ensures consistent communication exposure. Finally, we reach measurement. Measurement evaluates campaign effectiveness. Marketers must determine whether the objectives were achieved. Several metrics may be used. Brand awareness can be measured through surveys conducted before and after the campaign. Engagement rates can be evaluated through social media interactions, such as likes, comments, and shares. Website traffic can indicate increased consumer interest. Sales growth can demonstrate purchasing impact. Return on marketing investment evaluates financial performance. Continuous measurement helps organizations improve future campaigns. Marketers can identify strengths. They can detect weaknesses. They can refine strategies for greater effectiveness. In conclusion, a marketing communications plan provides a structured approach to communication planning. The SOSTT plus 4 MIS framework guides organizations through each stage of the process. Situation analysis identifies the current position. Objectives define the desired outcomes. Strategy explains how objectives will be achieved. Tactics translate strategy into action. Targeting ensures communication reaches the right audience. Resources, budgeting, timing, and measurement ensure that campaigns are implemented efficiently and evaluated effectively. When applied carefully, this structured approach enables organizations to develop powerful marketing communication campaigns. If you found this lesson helpful and significant for your studies or work, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy learning.